guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this sexy smoky eye with a hint of green to bring out your eyes. So if you like this, let me know in the comments down below and like and subscribe to see more videos. It'll be coming soon and keep on watching. So I've already moisturized and I'm going to go in with this brand new Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Foundation. This is shade 120. I'm just going to apply this with a damp beauty blender. And when you're matching your foundation, you always want to match your neck. So even though this looks really bright and light on my face, it actually matches my neck really well. Now I'm gonna go in with this new Pat McGrath Concealer. I'm super excited about this. This concealer looks amazing. I don't like it when concealers are too creamy because it takes a lot of powder to set them, which makes your under eyes a little bit dry, especially I already have dry skin, so the less powder I can use, the better. I'm just gonna set this with the Mercier translucent powder. Just gonna contour a little bit with the Smashbox Cali Contour. And I'm just gonna use mostly the cool shade. Just contouring my lips a little bit with that same shade. Just gonna add a little more blush and highlighter. I'm just going in to do brows with the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Taupe. Okay, whenever I start with a really smoky eye, I want to line the waterline and the lash line in a black waterproof pencil. Now I'm going to extend this into a little V shape on the outer corner. So I just keep following what the lower lash line is doing, like this. And then where my crease is, I'm just going to go right above that crease for the other side of that V. And if you're using a waterproof pencil, just go very lightly. We're kind of sketching out that shape. So I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow on a flat, dense brush and just press right on top of that liner that we put down. And kind of make a diagonal eyeliner shape. Then I'm going in with a dark brown on a small brush and just putting that in the transition and a little bit in the crease. And I'm going to take that along the bottom lash line as well to kind of make it. I'm going in with a fluffy brush in a little bit lighter shade brown, like the contour shade I used, to blend that out even more. Just use back and forth windshield wiper motions. So just keep deepening the shadows, building, building. You don't want to go, it's better to go too light and build than to regret going too heavy. So I'm going to take a beautiful green metallic Makeup Forever eyeshadow and just press that along the lid. And then I'm taking a white shimmery Makeup Forever shade for the inner corner. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that olive green to the center underneath my eye. I'm going to spray my face with a little rose water to set all the powder. Kind of give it a little bit more of a dewy finish. Make sure my lips are moisturized. I'm just going to curl my lashes a little bit, put on a little mascara. Now I'm just gonna pop on these Huda Beauty lashes. I think these are called Jade. Okay, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this e.l.f. lipstick in Natural. This is actually like the perfect nude for me. Just gonna add a tiny bit of the MAC lipstick Myth right on the center, just to make it a little lighter, a little more nude, less pink. Okay, and that is the finished product.